Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your device runs Windows 11 or a supported platform, and you are signed into your Microsoft account. Once confirmed, enable a local sign-in method like PIN or Windows Hello. This acts as your device-bound credential. Next, open Edge settings and navigate to Passwords Passkeys. You will see an option to create or import. Do this now to begin generating a passkey for the site you want to secure. Once you select Create Passkey, Edge will initiate a cryptographic exchange with the service. You will be prompted to verify locally using the PIN, fingerprint, or facial unlock. Do that because it ties the private key to your hardware. After verification, give the passkey a clear name so you can recognize it later, then complete registration. Make sure to test sign-in immediately. Choose Passkey Sign-in on the site and confirm the device prompt to verify the flow works. To finish, enable Cloud Sync for Microsoft account passkeys if you want recovery across devices. Alternatively, note recovery codes or use account recovery options. You should manage passkeys in Edge passwords, rename, remove, or export when supported so your list stays tidy. If you lose the device, use recovery or remove lost keys from your account immediately. If a sign-in fails, re-register the passkey for that service or clear, stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.